Okay, everyone. We are evidently live. So that's good. I don't want to watch stream. If I click that, will I be able to watch stream? There's gonna be some echo here. So that's good. I don't want to watch stream. If I click that, will I be able to watch stream? Okay, so it is working. Sorry about the echo right there. That's gonna do pop out chat. So I'm gonna get this set up here. And you guys are seeing this. Let's pull up radar scope. Bismarck, North Dakota here. All right, so we have the pop out chat. Where's that? No, okay. All right, so let's go to radar scope here. So yeah, we're live streaming. We have a severe thunderstorm warning, sort of in a random area, actually, especially this time of year here. I do have radar scope here on my computer. It's a little bit messed up right now. Don't know why I need to restore the settings, but we have a severe thunderstorm warning sort of in an odd area. It's almost to Bismarck, North Dakota here. Let me put this in a different mode here. All right, so this storm is out here by Bismarck, North Dakota. It's actually a severe thunderstorm warning, especially in 25 minutes. Let's take a look at it. 70-mile-per-hour wind gust. Yeah, it's a very windy storm, though. It doesn't look too significant. It had some lightning with it. This is actually weird. It's in North Dakota in March with lightning. It's pretty far north, especially. There's not even severe risk up there today, I don't think, unless that changed. But let's take a look at our area we're going to be watching tonight. Well, down in the south, let's take a look at this area. So let's take a few minutes on radar scope right now because I don't know why it's taking a little bit. So yeah, we look at this. This is in Louisiana here. You see this? We have this big area of storms here. Some of these could potentially be severe. Later, we could see maybe a few of these could get severe, which we'll look at in a second. I don't know when Andrew's gonna come. I'm sorry, there's a giant watermark in the bottom right of the screen, or the bottom right area of the screen. I haven't gotten the actual encoder set up, so I just did this one temporarily. Because then I'll pay money for my actual encoder soon. Because I'm not paying money for this. I don't want this to be my encoder, but yeah. So that is what's going on in radar scope. Let's go over to the to models now. Now I'm not looking at the models. I want to look at the SPC here. So I gotta go here. All right, so we have actually a tornado watch that was in southern Georgia that expired. Take a look at watches. There's no watches. So there is a slight risk, as you guys see in this area. That's why we're live streaming tonight in this area. And there is a tornado threat, 5%. That's what it was Tuesday, or Monday night when it was really bad. Big tornado hit Nashville. It could have been an EF4. It could have been. I don't know if it was an EF3 for sure, but it could have been an EF4. So I have to wait to see what that was. Let's go to category. This is pretty much what's going on tonight. Let's take a look at tomorrow. Hopefully this computer has better quality than the other one. Although it's the encoder that's making it look bad. It is bad, but slight risk tomorrow. Which will probably another live stream. Yeah. So we're not gonna look at anything else right now. I'm going to I'm gonna mute the mic for a few minutes until we have any actual big weather. I will leave it on this view right here of southern Louisiana. And I'm going to pop out the chat real quick. So pop out chat. So I'll put this over here. And I'll put radar scope right here. So yeah, that's how we're going to be looking at this now. I want radar scope. I want this tab. Sorry, I don't use computers. Not really smart with computers. So we'll have it like this for now. And I'm going to mute the mic, and then I will be back because I'm going to be working on my book project. It'll take me about probably 30 minutes in total to get it done. So that won't take long. Then I got to print some pictures out. I'm actually going to try to. So this, I know some ways of not, I'm getting 100, but cheating it a little bit. So, so we have 2 warnings. It's a flash flood warning in Georgia. Let's take a look at that real quick because there's been some pretty large amount of rainfall in that area. We can see right now we have some slow moving storms. Wait for it to load here. You have some slow moving storms. take a look at how much rain these have dropped. We can take a look at, say, storm total accumulation. Use this here. And we'll use radar scope when there's actually severe weather. Some of these have dropped 3 inches since, doesn't tell me when, but probably since earlier today. So, yeah, so we're going to, actually, I'll leave it on this flash flood warning for now until we get another warning. Excuse me. All right, so let's get that load in. All right, so I will actually, I'm going to zoom in on this weather rate, or this precipitation. I'm going to put it in mode so it moves here. All right, I want to go to light stream. All right, I want to mute the mic. Andrew. Andrew, say something.
Hey.
Okay, that was him. So I hope you guys like that. I'm sorry, I finished my book project and I cleaned my room a little bit. So yes, here I want to zoom in on this storm in here and see what it's putting in the stream output.
Fairly strong. There's a fairly strong storm near Savannah that has a little bit of rotation.
Yeah, there's one I was looking at, but it's going towards Abbeville, Georgia. It's in that flash flood warning, Andrew. It had some rotation a scan ago. It still has a little bit. It's kind of broad though.
Oh, I see it.
There's a little because look that storm looks pretty strong.
It has a little bit of rotation on top of Abbeville.
Yes, so yeah, me and Andrew are back here, as you guys heard. Yeah, there's a little bit of rotation on top of Abbeville, like we're saying. So this is a storm we're going to watch in a flash flood warning. That flash flood warning, Andrew, is still getting heavy rain, and there's more to come.
It is. There's a very strong storm just over the Albany with a purple spot.
North of Albany? Oh, that one. Which one are you? Oh, you're looking at the one by Leslie. Which radar are you looking at for that one?
I think I was looking at the Macon radar, but I'm not exactly sure.
Yeah, I see that. It has a purple spot. But it's embedded in a lot of precipitation, so that wouldn't be really a good one for.
If you're looking at the other radar down by Moody AFB, that's probably the best radar to look at. It has very strong rotation.
Yeah, I see that. Fort Rucker.
So that might get warned.
Yeah, I was looking at that. It has a lot of areas of rotation. Oh, yep, I see it. It has a little hook actually going sort of around Leslie like this and has a pretty good inflow notch.
No, the storm by Abbeville, if you're on the Moody AFD radar, Air Force Base radar has a strong rotation.
Yeah, I saw that. The one by Leslie has strong rotation. Here, I'll be right back, okay? I'm gonna mute the mic real quick. Is that okay?
Okay. No, I can talk.
Well, it's about to get loud, so I gotta mute the mic.
Okay.
All right, I'll be right. All right, everyone, I'm back here. Andrew went to do something, so now it should be good. The storm by Leslie has a little bit of a sort of a hook right there, so I'm gonna watch that because it does have some rotation with it. Then this Abbeville one here has a purple speck on it now, and so I'm this one could be this one is gonna be. Well, I've been watching this for a while. I started watching this when I came back before we turned the mic on. This one by Abbeville has that purple core. Let's check out the one in South Dakota here, because that's the only severe thunderstorm warning right now. Yeah, it has only a little bit of orange, and it's really not even strong, but it has some damaging winds with it. About 50, new scan, 41 dBZs. That's it. That's not a lot. All right, so let's take a look. We can take a look at let's go up to New York here and see if we have any heavy snow going on. We got precipitation deposition. Take a look at snow. So we have some snow probably by Amsterdam, Schenectady. I'm able to say that. Boston, Spa, Saratoga Springs. We have a little bit of some moderate snow. And there is some snow reports in snow grapple by Clayville, New Hartford, Utah, and New York. Right there. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. And then let's take a look at the storm by Abbeville. That's what I want to watch right now. I've been watching this for a while. I find this is a pretty strong storm here. Which radar would be the best? Let's go to that flash flood warning and see which one it's going to use. It's going to use the Robbins AFB radar. All right, so let's take a look at this. We see it's developing a little bit of a hook right there. So I'm going to have to watch that. Andrew, you're back?
Yeah, I'm back.
All right, I'm looking at the storm by Abbeville. Dude, like you said, it's having some pretty good rotation. It's pretty strong.
Look on it now.
Yeah, I see that. I'm looking at the Robbins AFB radar is better to look at because it's closer. And it's it looks pretty good. So we'll have to watch that.
It's got like a little inflow notch on it.
Yeah, I see that. It's starting to form a hook. The storm in South Dakota is pretty weak.
Yeah, I don't know why it's warned.
No, not anymore. Shouldn't be warned.
That North Dakota storm earlier was decent.
Yeah. It had some red, I think.
They said it was warned for 70-mile-per-hour wind.
Yeah, that's pretty strong.
They just put out a mesoscale for North Dakota and South Dakota.
Oh my. Did they put out a watch for that?
Just a 5% chance.
Oh, okay, so it's not big. Oh, a new scan just came in off the Robbins AFB radar. It has a better inflow notch and a better hook to the southwest of Rhine.
I see. What they might issue a severe thunderstorm warning on this storm.
Yeah, it has a pretty good inflow notch now. It's starting to look better. Take a look at the velocity.
Oh, the rotation's right on Rhine.
Yeah.
Right with that inflow notch.
So that could be our next warm storm. I think it's the strongest storm we have right now. Maybe. Or like the storm with the biggest potential. But we aren't looking into like by New Orleans yet, so I'll look over there. Don't see anything on the New Orleans radar. Don't really see anything that points out on the Mobile radar. I think southern Georgia right now has the best potential. I see some stuff in the Fort Rucker radar that could potentially be, but everything's so high precipitation right now. I don't really see a good potential for some severe weather. We need an isolated storm, really. But look in southern Louisiana. We could have some stuff starting to form down there. Eventually. But, yeah. There's a TVS with that storm by Abbeville. The new scan came in. It's I think this is a new scan, but it looks a little bit tighter for some reason. If it's the same scan, it's kind of weird, but it looks like it's a different scan and time's different. Yeah, rotation right on top of Rhine now, like you said.
There was a tornado in Hale and Bibb counties yesterday.
Bibb County? Which one? Macon, Georgia, or
No, Alabama.
Oh, the one in Alabama. Yeah.
It was in Bibb and Hale counties.
Okay.
By the way, TVS signature on radar now.
TVS signature and the one by Abbeville.
They have debris.
Debris. Maybe, or could be some mixed in there, but I wouldn't call it yet because it's not really looking likely. New scan's about to come in on reflectivity. See what that has. Right.
Those tornadoes yesterday in Alabama and Bibb County was a high-end EF1 and then a high-end EF0 and hail.
Yeah. The one with the one EF1 one had that big CC drop I was showing you yesterday morning.
Mm-hmm.
That was a big that was a pretty good. That looked pretty good, but it wasn't. It couldn't have been too strong because of where it was on radar, or because of where it was.
It was 550. It was 550 yards.
Yeah, it was pretty wide. That's why we saw it so good. It would have just been like 2 pixels if it would have been the other way. Okay, new scan came in. It has reflectivity. It's right over Rhine, the really strong inflow notch. It looks pretty good. It's still maintaining strength and reflectivity. See on super res velocity. Rotation sort of weakened. See on super res.
Rotation's still there on the northern part of it.
Yeah, but I think it weakened.
Circulation.
Yeah. It's not that as strong anymore, but that's the best storm we have right now. It could cycle though and could hit Millen, which wouldn't be good. Or we go to the north of Millen probably. Storm's pretty strong. It goes up to 58 dBZs. It's the highest.
It still has a little bit of potential debris.
Yeah.
There's another storm behind it, north of Albany. I'm going to use the other radar for that storm, I think. I'm going to use...
I would use the...
Oh, there's a strong circulation by Coleman, Georgia.
Coleman, where's that?
I use the Fort Rucker radar for that.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I see Colbert. Oh, yeah, I see Coleman. Fort Gaines. Look at Fort Gaines. There's a little bit of a hook right there. No rotation now. Maybe, but not a lot. Yeah, by Coleman, there's some... It's not really strong, right? Oh, I would call it strong. There's a mesoscale in the northwest of Coleman. With some rotation. I see something. Okay, that's not much.
What do you see?
Oh, I saw some strong rotation, but it's not. Wait, I gotta turn that off. It's by Americus, Georgia, to the southwest of it.
New scan. That rotation's right by Cuthbert now. On Cuthbert now.
Cuthbert? Yeah, I see that. Okay, so the Abbeville storm, or is it Abbeville? Probably not. It was Abbeville. It has a better hook now. So it looks like it's strengthening. It has a better inflow notch. It's more thick, and it could start. It looks like it may actually start to strengthen again. It doesn't have really. The rotation's still there to the west of Millen, but it's not extremely strong. If we take a look at that, it's 2 here. Zoom in right here on Millen.
Oh, you use a light stream now?
Yeah. Because I haven't gotten the actual encoder set up, which I'll do this weekend.
You haven't gotten the actual what set up?
I haven't gotten the good encoder set up yet, so I'll do that this weekend. I'm looking at the 2-pane panel, like the dual pane. And I'm looking. Yeah, so there is some rotation in that inflow notch right to the northwest of Millen. There's still some rotation. It's not that strong, but I don't think there's a tornado on the ground. I think that there's rotation. No, so it is there. The chance to be one.
I'm gonna go look at that storm in South Dakota. You can stay on the Georgia stuff.
All right.
That storm in South Dakota, I don't know why that's still warm. It's yellow on radar.
I know. It's pitiful. It's green, Andrew. The only reason I checked it out was because I just wanted to see how this bad it looked. It's not even a shower. It's just like some sprinkles. I could still have some wind with it now. Oh, new scan came in. There was now purple in the northern part of the storm by to the north of Milan. Or Milan. I don't know how you say it. The inflow notch sort of got a little bit more rough, but it's still there a little bit. You can still see it goes down, and DBZ is right there. Let's take a look at velocity. Rotation sort of died out, but there's still maybe a little bit. So Milan's now safe. It could be to the Alamo next. How much rain is
It's still there. The rotation's still there, Tyler.
I know. I said that.
It's actually right on top of Milan.
Yeah. There's a lot of rain falling in that area too. Probably pretty bad flooding. All right, I'll check out southern Louisiana. There's a wind report by Beaumont. I'll see if no, I don't think that's really anything. There could be some storms like by Lafayette starting to form.
Yeah, there is.
Dang, the radars load so fast in this. Each radar location.
Excuse me.
Okay. I can't wait till like it's summer and there's like really good storms. All right, so let me take a look there. This storm by Milan. Yeah, it's getting stronger. I mean, it's now going up to 60 dBz. 61 is what it peaks at. I'm using that what is it called? That inspector tool thing. Crap. Close that radar scope. Such a hard. All right. No, stop. Okay. All right. Let me get the pop radar back up. All right, there we go. So now this looks good.
That storm by Coleman still looks pretty good.
By Colin. Yeah, I'll let me check it out on the Fort Rucker radar. Yeah, it's a lot of training in that area, so it may not be too strong, but it could still be there. All right, so here. All right, okay. So yeah, it could be. It's still there, like you said.
has a hook.
Which one? Fort Rucker on the Fort Rucker radar?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to find the. I want to see how far the rotation is from McRae. Cause that's where it could be heading. About 8-ish 9 miles. So if the storm's moving, I don't know how much miles it's moving. It'll be at McRae at 6:15.
Circulation's about a half mile wide.
Where is that? Oh, the one at the from the Fort Rucker radar. Let me see. Are you looking at the circulation by Cuthbert?
Uh-huh.
All right, let me see. The one to the east of it looks pretty good. So take a look at that. Yeah, that's some pretty good rotation.
Circle it for the stream so they see where it is.
That's what I'm doing. I'm using radar scope on the stream.
If anybody's on the stream, you can talk to us in the chat.
Yeah. I think that most people will probably watch Friday's stream. Or not Friday streams. When I get the actual encoder set up.
I think tomorrow's gonna be a sleeper day. It's gonna be bigger than what people are expecting.
Yeah, it could be. I mean, I hope it is. So I actually have something to live stream about, really. Because if we don't have any actual stuff going, like tornado warnings or severe thunderstorm warnings, if it's not active by the time I have to go eat dinner, and I'm gonna end the live stream.
Or we can play Roblox.
Yeah. Can we do that after I eat dinner?
I don't know if I'm gonna have time. Marginal severe threat should continue in the evening for Louisiana and Mississippi, but they're not going to put out a watch.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Do you want to play radar or Roblox for the live stream now?
There's stuff going on.
Oh yeah, but there's no warnings.
Now, by Shellman now, it doesn't look as good though.
Alright.
TVS signature in the Abbeville storm.
Yeah, it's had one.
That thing's strengthened again.
Alright.
It might have debris with it.
Alright. Oh, here I want to look at I want to look at something on Tropical Tidbits.
The little green tree that keeps on following it.
Okay. Oh wait, so is this such an old model run? Wow, it's old. Yeah, tomorrow by the time we could live stream, there could be some.
Oh.
There's gonna be so much rain for me tomorrow. Not snow from.
When is that track meeting rescheduled for?
They don't reschedule them. Dude, I'm supposed to get 3 inches of rain tomorrow. Just tomorrow. Because I'm supposed to be on that north edge, or like the squall line. If it's just it's spread out right all, sort of along the warm front, which is with just a bunch of heavy rain. Here, I'm gonna see real quick on Pivotal Weather. Show everybody too if there's gonna be, if you have a chance for some severe weather next week too. So none Sunday probably, maybe Sunday afternoon to go some. Monday afternoon.
Maybe me. I might get severe weather on Sunday.
Sunday?
It's gonna be 60 degrees. I'm supposed to have rain.
On Sunday?
Mm-hmm.
There's not even rain anywhere near you, according to this radars, or according to the GFS model. I mean, the closest rain to you is snow.
I meant to say Monday.
Oh, Monday? Yeah, you could. I mean, you'll be right around that triple point, so you could have some. And then there could be some all the way down the south of the scoreline. We'll take a look at Cape in a second. Tuesday afternoon, there could be some maybe in scattered storms. And it's finally looking like there won't even be that much heavy rain for me. I'm so happy. Monday it'll be warm and dry. Finally, that's what I want to hear. Tuesday, maybe storm severe. And you can get snow next Wednesday, close to it.
I don't think I'm gonna get snow. It's not the season for it.
Yeah. I'm kind of glad it's warming up now because, I mean, no, now it's like the models are showing signs of, like actual, like the switching of seasons, or, like it's not raining a ton. It's like more like scattered. So that's good. Let's take a look. We can take a look at Cape next week. Take a look at surface-based Cape. Cape today in Louisiana is pretty good. 2,500 in Louisiana.
Putnam County tornado.
Yeah.
They haven't even sprayed all of it yet.
Ooh, okay, so we could see some of that. Tuesday next week could be a pretty big day. There's already 700 joules per kilogram Cape value. Wednesday in Oklahoma City, there's already 1,300. Thursday, there's already 1,500. And Friday, it moves east, and there's already 1,100. You're pretty close to getting Cape, actually, on Friday. And Saturday, it is just in the south. So it's actually looking like it's going to start to be spring now. Trying to look at. Yeah, you'll be 59 maybe on Sunday. And Monday afternoon, you'll be 52. You'll be 65. Thursday or Tuesday, you'll be in the 40s. Dude, Thursday next week, it'll be 75 and dry. Maybe even 80. That's so nice. And, of course, Friday, wedge, and it's 30 for the high. That's sad. Yeah, so Andrew, it's kind of hard to tell for you because there's like a 20-degree temperature difference in like 50 miles probably. And so that moves north, you'll be 65. And if it moves south, you'll be like 35. Yes. All right, everyone, I'm back. So we're gonna go back here to temperatures. It'll be 80s in Texas.
I edited something on Wikipedia that said there was another tornado south of Cokeville, but there was only one tornado there, so I edited that out.
Oh yeah, I like editing on Wikipedia. Actually, I don't want to put like fake stuff in there because it's just sort of stupid. Because I don't want like fake tornado data and stuff on Wikipedia. Okay, there's like some weird storm around March 17th on the GFS model. It's gonna be weird. Like it'll be a really strong cold front, like a 10-degree difference right behind it, and a 10-degree difference behind, like right in front of it. But it's gonna have really strong wraparound cold air. Like in the afternoon, it could be not cold, but it's just because it looks kind of weird.
Still here, right? Okay, good.
Yeah. Yeah, so everyone, we have two potential EF3s. Maybe the Cookeville one in Tennessee that happened early Tuesday morning. Not like 1. That killed 18 people already. Preliminary EF3, and it could potentially move up to an EF4. So I'll have to see in that.
That one should be an EF4.
Yeah. See if there's anything I should edit here. No, it all sounds right. Okay, I know how to edit. All right.
That storm by McRae, Georgia, that thing has some strong rotation again.
Again? It's moving quick.
It has debris.
Debris?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it has debris.
Doesn't really have like strong rotation, but it has some.
There's another storm down by Arabi.
Mm-hmm.
Down the west part of the Flashfoot warning with some rotation and a hook echo on it.
Yeah, I see that. Oh yeah, it has stronger rotation actually. There's too much rain in that area. There's just more heavy rain after more heavy rain.
Yep. It's pretty much how it's gonna be looking almost all day.
Yep, and then tomorrow again, there's gonna be a ton of heavy rain.
I think tomorrow this might be subject, but I think tomorrow's gonna be worse than today.
Yeah, I think that too. I'm actually sort of getting pretty worried about this, Andrew. Look at all the rain again tomorrow.
Yeah, the Cape values are 3,000 in Tallahassee tomorrow.
Oh wow.
I looked at that earlier in school.
Mm-hmm.
Because I had nothing to do.
Yeah. Because school's boring. Especially first period. For me.
Oh, you don't have anything to do first period? That's 7th period for me.
Oh, you have 7 periods. I have 6.
I have 8.
Oh, you have 8?
Whole day.
It's kind of a lot.
That includes PE and a rotation period and a study hall.
Yeah. You have study hall, so you have to do your homework in school.
Yeah, I only have it on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday because Wednesday and Monday I have art.
Yeah. I'm kind of worried about like Central Georgia tomorrow flooding because like it will start raining hard at about like 10 a.m. Or not 10 a.m. Like it will start raining hard for me at like 5 a.m. for example. It'll stop raining hard at like 5 p.m. And I could get 3 inches of rain tomorrow. And areas in
Does
that
everybody at your school look up to you for the weather forecast like they do to me or not?
sort of, yeah. I don't
I'm
know.
in the popular group of kids, if you want to say so, and everybody wants the weather for every 5 seconds.
Yeah, I mean that's not how it is for me because I mean, I don't just do weather stuff really at school all the time. I'm sort of I don't really know. I mean I'm not unpopular. I'm not like I'm not one of those I don't know like furry kids. You know, I'm not one of them. Not one of the gamers.
Does Jill go to your school?
Who?
Jill,
No.
your neighbor?
Oh no, Jade. No.
Oh, Jade.
Not that. Ew.
Does she go to your school?
No, she goes to 5th grade, but I don't want to talk about that right now.
Oh wait, we're on stream, aren't we?
Yeah. It's fine.
Oh shoot.
No, it's fine. She probably doesn't even know how to spell weather. So.
You play with the 5th grade girl.
Okay. Stop. Okay, so some of the areas in the flash flood warning could get 4 inches of rain tomorrow. No, but like at school, I hang out with normal people. Like the normal people, I don't really hang out with furries.
Let's get on the stream.
Yeah. I guess what we should do.
I want it that way.
Okay, I don't care. Do you want to play Roblox? Because there's really nothing going on.
Values are 4 right now.
What?
And there's no STP values are 4 and there's nothing going on.
Yep.
Yeah?
Okay.
I'm actually gonna go outside. I'm talking to Tyler. I'm gonna go outside, Tyler, because there's a bunch of people playing.
Alright, okay. Okay, so Andrew left because he wants to go outside because it's not raining there always. I've haven't been able to go outside since Sunday. Of course, it was cold, and it was about to literally started raining in the afternoon, so that sucked. But yeah, so we're going to continue with the live stream, I guess, for a little bit here. There's really nothing to do. I think what I'm going to do is we're going to live stream tomorrow, and I'm going to get some homework done. I don't have any homework. I'm going to do some homework until I can live stream tomorrow. Okay, y'all. So I'll wrap up this live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow's